Today our video is about this beautiful pillow we just made. It looks gorgeous, just gorgeous, and it's nice and fluffy and the print is beautiful. So basically this is a really quick DIY. It's a quick DIY that you can do whenever, just to spice up a plain couch or your bed or anywhere that you want, really. And yeah, it's a very easy, simple DIY. You can customize it, choose your own fabric, your own patterns, your own color. This is a DIY for anyone. Super easy. And if you guys don't want to sew, then you can easily just use a hot glue gun, but we decided to go for the traditional, easygoing sewing. Yep. Now without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright guys, you're going to want to get your scissors and you're going to want to get your pillow fill thingy. That! And then you're going to want to get your fabric. Now we chose this fabric because we thought it would look good on whatever we chose to put it on, so yeah. And you're going to want to get thread and needle and thread. So you're going to want to take your fabric and you're going to want to basically measure out how big you want your pillow to be. We bought it already pre-measured, so yeah, we didn't need to cut anything. Now you're going to want to flip your fabric inside out. This is to make sure that you can't really see the stitching. Now you're basically just going to want to start sewing all the edges of your pillow. Alright, once you reach the last side that you need to stitch, you're basically just going to want to stitch 3/4 of the way, making sure to leave an open little section. Alright, once you've reached almost a quarter way to the end, you're going to want to stop and finish sewing, making sure that there is an open hole big enough for your hand to fit in. Now you're going to want to flip your fabric inside out. Once again, making sure that you still have that hole open, and now grabbing your pillow stuffer, you're going to want to open it and start stuffing your pillow. Once you're done filling your pillow with stuffing, you're basically just going to want to, if you know how, you're going to want to blind stitch, but if you don't, just continue stitching and it won't look as pretty, but you won't be able to notice, so it'll be fine. Alright, now you're done with your pillow and you can go ahead and place it on whatever couch or bed you want. So So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, leave comments down in the comment section,
Subscribe,
and definitely share your thoughts with about our pillow. Yeah.
And if you guys do recreate this, make sure to tweet her and show us pictures on how your pillow turned out.
Yeah.